Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x cube times x square minus 5 is equals to minus 4x, and if x is greater than 0, so what is the possible solution to the equation above? So let's start with the today's video solution. So first we can copy down the equation. So if we multiply it, x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 4x is equals to minus 4x plus 4x. So I'm adding 4x to both sides. So equation becomes x power 5 minus 5x cubed plus 4x is equals to 0. If I'll take x common, so it becomes x power 4 minus 5x square plus 4 is equals to 0. So we can write this as x power 4 minus 4x square minus x square plus 4 is equals to 0. So x, if I'll take x square as common, so x square minus 4. If I'll take minus 1 as common, so x square minus 4 is equals to 0. So x, if I'll take x square minus 4 as common, so x square minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we are going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this as x times x minus 2 or x plus 2, and this x square minus 1 as x plus 1 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have 5 roots. So x is equals to 0, x is equals to 2, x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 1. So as we already know, our x is greater than 0. So we eliminate these cases. So our two possible solutions are either x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.